Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to stream Crunchyroll on Discord mobile. First off, you'll have to open Crunchyroll on your mobile's browser. It can be Google Chrome or any other browser. It can be Google Chrome or any other browser of your choice. After which you'll have to open up Discord, and then in your channel you must join a voice channel and tap on join voice. After this, you can scroll up and scroll down and tap on share your screen. After this, you can either select to share one app or share your entire screen, but sharing one app is recommended to avoid black screens. Then you can hit next and tap on Google Chrome to start sharing your screen. After this, you can play the video and you will be able to stream Crunchyroll on Discord mobile. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.